Morning teacher, good morning classmates. I'm Richmond E. Fajardo from grade 3 SSES, and today I'm going to show everyone some different kinds of solid material that can be pressed, cut, bent, and hammered. First, I'm going to show solid materials that can be pressed. First, plastic bottle can be pressed. It may change its shape but cannot be formed. Plastic cup can be pressed. It may change its shape but no new material can be formed. Sponge can be pressed.